back with the Insignia. Now, I was driving down a country lane and someone was actually my side of the road coming towards me, wouldn't move over, smashed my wing mirror. You can see this is no good. And this bit, I actually found this back on the road, but someone's obviously ridden over it by the time I got to it. So I've been riding around like this for a long time, which is not great. But anyway, bought another wing mirror and it was only I think 35 quid. And bear in mind, this is a fully functioning unit. It's obviously electric. So this actually does work still. I'll show you that. See, it still a bit slow, but you can see it's still operational. So I have seen people take the whole door card off, and that's why at the start of the video I had actually taken this piece off and this bit off, but then I realised you don't need to do that. As long as you can get that lower bolt off like I did, you don't even need to touch the door card, and then it's going to be much quicker. All you really need is 10mm sockets, and I use this or something equivalent just to kind of get the connector out. This electrical connector here and 3 threads which hold it on. So one of the bolts is here, that's exposed, and I think one might be under here, but I've got to figure out a way of getting this off without snapping it. And so now this bit, the cover, there we go. I'll just pull it up. It's off there like that. 3 bolts I can see now. There's 1, 2, and there's one actually in here. And I've just managed to get a 10mm on there, and it's undoing. And I think the trickiness is going to be about trying to get that 10mm out without dropping it. And this one's moving, and this one's moving as well. So all I need to do is just sneak this 10mm out, which is where my finger is, down there. I need to sneak that one out. So I'm just using 10mm here. I'm going to have to be very careful not to drop this screw down there, as I'm going to have to take the door card off anyway. I've got it out, it's coming. I've got the magnetic tool as well. So if you just come up a bit. So I'm not going to, here we go. That's the bolt. Nice. Probably could have done that without the magnetic tool, but it's a bit of insurance, I guess. And then we've got this little connector here, pokey tool. Can they come in here and just pull the connector out? There you go. It's out of there like that. And then I've just got the remaining 2 10mm. One up here, it's already loose, and then this one. So now the final bolt, that one there, should. There we go, that's out. Bit of water coming out of it. Grab the other one. This one's in much better condition. Get back in the garden. And I think the first thing you want to do, hold on, show this, is you want to kind of put this around there, kind of force this little seal thing in here, like that. I want to go something like that in. Yeah, let's see it pop in there. Yep, there we go. Now I'll get one bolt first, Andy, if you can just grab me that. One of these bolts.
This one?
Whatever. Right. And just get one started so that this thing doesn't fall off and scratch itself to pieces. That'd be quite cringy. So that's started in there. Try not to drop it on the door card. There we go. There we go. It's partly in. I just need to try and find a. Try and just thread this little screw up, not drop it into the door card. So that is pretty much tight. I'm not going to do it the whole way tight yet because the last bolt needs to go in here, and it's best to kind of have everything threading up. So that's there like that. So I'm just going to do this one finally tight. The other's tight as well. And then finally, just get this little electrical connector in here. That's in there. And then what you want to do is, before you do anything else, just check it works.
Yep.
Okay, down, up, okay, right, left. Cool. The final thing you need to do is you need to pop out this little popper thing. If I can, it'll let me. There we go.
Try not to lose it.
Not to lose it as well.
Yeah.
You've got it. Now I've got the popper out. And you see it's got a little solid bit around the back. So that means you just want to go in here, pop it there. Okay. In there like that. Then it's got this little locating thing here.
Okay.
And this little locating bit there. Okay. And then that's it.
Just simple as that, really, isn't it?
Simple as that, really.
And
then that is basically how you do a wing mirror on a Insignia